Hey guys. Get up. Trust you. Come on, Bruno. Hello. Bruno, come here. Come here. You got a ball. You got it.
He's at my house.
What we're gonna do with you, Bruni? Feel with you. Else. Bruno. Excuse me. They're not your balls. No. Cute. Oh, they're going back to their mum.
Having a drink off mum. Let's have a suckle, mum.
Look at its little tail. Hello, we're just passing. Don't mind. Ah.
Okay.
The mum's not impressed.
She doesn't know the defence. She doesn't know the defence.
They're probably saying, is she, get out.
Yeah.
Leave us alone.
Yeah. Keep your dog on that lead. That's what they're saying.
Your phone's beeping.
Alright, tell them leave a message. Go on, you
We're
go.
just passing. Oh, look at that there. Yeah. It's alright, you stay there. Don't be frightened of us, we'll never hurt you. We had to look after sheep in our on our course on animal care. Good morning, guys. I just wanted to do the intro with Bruno. Hey, I'm gonna be cleaning, organising my drawers. So these things right here, as you can see, there's clothes on the floor there. So my room is a little bit of a mess. I don't know why I get it like this. I was supposed to upload a video, was it last week, some point, something like that, the week before, but it did not end up posting it. It was me when I organised my room, so that's what I'm doing today. So I've got this outfit on, which is pretty cool. These leggings and this t-shirt. I brushed my hair and I put makeup on. I do not look great. I've not been feeling very well over the weekend. I've been getting headaches a lot recently, so I'm not really been well, but I'm back on track now. I've done my room a little bit, so you can see behind me that needs doing, so I'm going to do that a little bit later on. But over here, actually that does need doing as well, but like the bed is clean. What I'm going to do is take everything out of these drawers and try and reorganise. What I'm going to try and do, instead of putting them in a heap, I'm going to put like socks here, whatever. So I've got a pile there that I need to go through, which is washing. So I'm going to take all of these out. Okay, so I'm going to sort out these two bottom drawers before I get doing any other drawer. I'm just going to go through it. 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so sorted out the bottom drawer, which is all, not bottom, this drawer right here, which is full of Disney t-shirts and pyjamas. Now, yep, so now I'm going to go through all of this, make sure it's all clean, and if not, I'm going to send it down to the wash basket, and I'm going to hang some of these clothes, which I found in those drawers, up to see if I can have more room. My plan is to have a few t-shirts and maybe a few leggings in that drawer, but mostly them on this hanging thing. So let's just jump right in. This is what I've done so far. So I've got all of my regular t-shirts that I don't have hangers for in this pile right here, because this is going to go in that drawer there, the bottom one. And then I have Disney t-shirts right here, so I've got a few Disney t-shirts. I've still got more in like that drawer, so most of these are going to go in that drawer. I've got one hanger actually, so I might put this Mulan one up because it looks too nice to be shoved in a drawer. Have this Lion King one, which if I can do it without, yeah. So I've got this Lion King one. So yeah, I've got a lot of Lion King. Then I have pyjamas, winter pyjamas, like fluffy pyjamas. So I need to find a home. So because there's only a few of these in here, and most of my jeans are hung up, which I'll show you in a minute. And I've got this whole drawer empty, so I might put half pyjamas and half t-shirt. So I'm done pretty much. Sorry about my hair. But I'm just going to show you what I have planned. So in here, sorry about the lighting, it's just random stuff like teddies, Christmas decorations, VHS tapes, mostly VHS tapes. And I have this like overall thing, I don't know what you call it, but I don't know where to put it, so I'll put it in there for now. I might put it in my summer pile because it looks more summery. So that's in there for now. I've got, whoa, brightness. I've also got a lot of my bed sheets, anything to do with bedding or blankets are up there. I've also got a pair of winter pajamas there. I'm going to put this on my bed. I've also got one of those, just ignore that. And then down there I've not really touched. Here is what I meant. This is what I've done, so let me show you. Sorry about the lighting. I've got a few clothes up here which I do need to sort out. But in here I have bras and socks. And a couple of like leggings at the back. And some of these socks are like pairs. Some of them are on their own. So yeah, I've got those there. In here are my figurines. So anything to do with dogs or any figurines. I don't use these anymore, so they're just in there just for keepsake. I might find a different place for them In here are my underwear drawer. So I'm not going to show you those. So that's my underwear. And then in here are all my tank tops. Because it's getting towards summer, these would be used a lot. So I've got like all sorts in there. So I've got tank tops in there. So just something to put underneath everything. Then in here I have all of my Disney t-shirts that are for my Disney Aimee channel, which I'll link down below. So this is for Disney Aimee. These t-shirts, I've got some Mickey Mouse ones, got a Frozen one, got a few, and then I've got some pyjamas right on this side, as you can see right here. Some of them are Disney, some of them are not, so on that side, but this side is mostly Disney. And then on the bottom here, as you can see, I have got a mixture of things. So I've got tops here that doesn't fit in that drawer or on there, which I'll show you in a minute. So we've got some Disney t-shirts down here, and then we also have some like jumpers here, and then my PJs over here that are for winter time really, because they're more thick than thin. So that's what's in that drawer. And then up here I have all of my tops and stuff. So get up. So here we have all my hoodies, jumpers and coats to this point. And then I have all of my t-shirts here, short sleeve and long sleeve. And then on the end I have all of my jeans and my leggings. As well as, I don't even know what I've done with it. Some of these, so leftover hangers. So that's what I've done there, which is pretty cool. And then under here, well, here I've got my shoebox, which I don't know why I'm keeping that. And then my Elvis thing, and then my travel sized makeup bag, and then a picnic bag, which I'm going to use when it gets a bit warmer, when I take Bruno out, which is pretty cool. And then I have VHS tapes under here as well. I won't be able to show you, I don't think. But they're right under here, as you can tell. And then I have a baby doll, and then some other things right there. And I'm also going to add Elsa and Pinocchio to that pile. I might put them like that. That looks pretty cool. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. I need to put my blanket on the bed here just to like wrap it up in case it gets cold in the night, because it's still getting cold. So I'm thinking about that if I'm cold in the night, I could just pull that over me and then I'll be good. Obviously it's getting towards summer, so now hopefully it will be warmer at night and I won't need as many blankets and whatnot. We have rain, storm, and it's just freezing in the house anyway. Then I've got them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I migrated to my bed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sort my channels out. So I'm going to start with Disney Aimee. So I'm going to be doing that for the rest of the morning. Then I'll take Bruno for a walk. And then I will do this channel later on. So I'll show you what I've done to my Disney Aimee channels. The channel, which will be linked down below. So if you click on my most recent video, shut up, which was posted 2 hours ago, as you can see there. So what I've done here is I put some like information here. So like what the video is about, then about this channel / me, and then where to find me, I guess, and then my other channels or videos down below. So I want to do that to this channel and for more videos on that channel. Just yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do for the next hour or so. So maybe not an hour, maybe like half an hour, and then I'll take Bruno out. And then. So yeah, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to start having half an hour just sorting out my Disney Aimee channel, and then I'll take Bruno out, and then I'll come back and do the rest. So see you in half an hour. 11:57, so it's nearly 12 o'clock. So I'll take it to past, so maybe 12:35, something like that. And then I'll go down and have some lunch and take Bruno. It's 1:07 and I've come downstairs to the kitchen, bit echoey. I was going to take Bruno out for a walk, but it is raining quite a lot right now. And it's looking like a thunderstorm or something. I might take him out in a bit. But anyway, so I've got this cup of tea, which was my breakfast cup of tea. So I usually have a cup of tea to wake me up. But I didn't drink it all, so I'm not going to waste it, obviously. So I'm going to put it in the microwave. Right here. You can hear Bruno in the background. I'm going to put it in there and heat it up. And Bruno is currently apparently eating. Say hello to the camera, Bruno. Bruno. Say hello. So, yeah. So I'm going to put it in the thing now. Do. For a minute, you guys. So I'm gonna put it in for a minute. That's 30 seconds. There you go, minute. And then what I'm gonna do once this come out, because I usually say never leave anything in the microwave in case it blows up. But yeah, I'm gonna stay here with it, and then I'm gonna feed the rabbit. So yeah. Yeah, I want to go out somewhere, but a bit too cold. Currently wait for that to ping in 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's do the countdown. Doobadoo. So yeah. Cookapatee. It's a bit cold, so I might put a hoodie on or something. It's really cold. What are you doing on that? Oh, it's crazy. Oh, look. Sit. 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 Sit, good boy. Yeah. So yeah, I just filmed a video, which will be linked down below. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go and feed the rabbit, and then I'll probably sort my vlog channel out a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my vlog channel yet because yeah, you'll see what I'll do with it. By the time you see this, you might see a change in my channel. So yeah, so whilst that's cooling down a little bit, I'm gonna go feed. Come on, Bruno. You're a weirdo, Bruno. On your marks, get set, go. So being a little bit down, I guess I would say. We haven't got any post up yet. Just double check. I'm not expecting anything, you guys, but look how wet it is, you guys. It's really wet. Right, Mars? Oh god, that's so cute. Cute! So about my feet, you guys. Why is this door open? Look, what do we freezing in this house? So yeah, I'm gonna give him his food. Okay. Come on, Bruno! Whoa! Freaking hell. Bruno, what's that? Oh my god. The minute I come outside, look what happens. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Right, stay outside, Bruno. Bruno was feeding the... I don't know what to do. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's thundering out. Guys, I look like a giant Eskimo, but yeah, I'm going out to feed the rabbit, so check how the rabbit's doing. This is what it's like having animals, especially animals that live outside, because when it's raining, when it's cold, when it's snowing, when it's hailstoning, when it's thundering, you still have to feed them and attend to them, so Yeah, I'm gonna give him his tea. Not tea, but lunch. So the camera might just get wet. But yeah. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Ah! Okay, no! No! The food's gonna get wet. Alice! Oh god. Oh! Ah! You've been pruned! I'll show you all this. Hello, Alf! My phone's gonna get damaged. So I hope this is waterproof. Ah! Get it quick! Get it quick! Woo! Woo! Oh dear! Oh my god, my camera! Oh my god, look! Look at that! I don't know if you can see. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, you guys! Look at the rain. Oh my god! Look, see it pitter pattering down there. Wow! Let's go and have a look what it looks like on the front. Bruno! Get your toy. Get bloody blisters at this point. So yeah. Okay. Look at it, I'm gonna put Bruno away because I'm gonna open the door. Come here, Bruno! Walkies! Oh my god. I'm gonna put him in here for a minute whilst I show you guys what he looks like outside. Get in there! Bruno! That's the fun, that's not me, I promise. Bruno. His toy. Go in there. Go fetch. Now, you know, I don't want to chase him in this weather. Oh my god. Oh my god, you can't see it. I want to make a thumbnail. God damn it. Literally, what the heck? What? This usually gets flooded. So I'm glad I'm not going out right now. Oh my god. It's really cold. But yeah, it's so cold. I'm so freezing. But yeah, look how bad it is. Look. Look. Oh, the chairs are wet. And so much for a nice day. I'm going to take Bruno out for a walk, but I'm not going to do it now. I'll take him a bit later if it calms down, but yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Sooty! So yeah, I'm probably just going to go in and just edit some videos, film some videos. Well, it's thunder outside. It's so cold. I think the plan for a rainy, stormy day is staying not in bed, but in my room and doing things in my room. Like cleaning, organising, which I've been doing today, as you saw at the beginning of the video. But, you know, it's been raining, so I'm going to film some videos on my Disney Aimee channel. And then also, I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to take this coat off, actually. I'm outside. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm going to put my heater on and maybe put a hoodie on or something. Hopefully if that picks up in a bit, then I've got to get the kids later as well. But yeah, I might take, I don't know where it is, little. I have got bad news, you guys. I thought I was just going to go upstairs and just do whatever I want in my room where it's warm, cozy and organise my channel and stuff. But first I have to put the bottle bin out. Ugh. So that means going out into that wild storm out there. Wow. Sit down and then my mum just rung me and said, can you put the bottle bins out? So I'm going to go do that now, which means I'm going to do it as fast as I can, just so I can get back in. But yeah, this is not my lucky day. My hair's... Yeah, because if my hair gets wet, I'll have to straighten it again. If worse comes to the worst, I'll just straighten it. So yeah, let's get outside. I'm not happy, you guys. But yeah. Oh! What? Right, quick, whilst it's like this. So yeah, oh my god, it's sunny now. Oh, crap. Gotta get this freaking thing out. Off. I think. Getting all wet as well. Right, whilst it's still nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's okay. There you go. Okay. Sugar, 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 sugar. Okay. Right, let's walk. I don't know what the heck I'm filming, guys. What is this catastrophe here? Who the hell put that bin there? Is it a green bin or? I was told it's the blue bin. So I'm gonna have to move this bin out the way. So I'm gonna try and hurry before it starts raining. Oh my god, there's a car. Someone just looked at me there. But yeah. This is really exciting. Oh. I could just take Bruno out around the block. I might go do that actually. If it stays like this. Yeah, so look at it now, you guys. It's not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go back into the house. Might as well get Bruno. I've got my shoes and stuff on. Yeah, so yeah, so I put the bottle bin out and gonna go back into the garden and probably just okay. Oh. Yeah, so whoa. Yes, got the bottle bin. Elvis is currently in his bedroom. Let's have a look at him. Hello, gorgeous. I'm gonna have to do his water. Oops. I don't think. You wanna be on camera? Okay. You know, I don't force my babies to be in my vlog, so yeah, if they don't want to, that's absolutely fine. They don't want to, they're not in the mood for anything, so yeah, I'm just gonna fill up his water bottle and get Bruno now. So I've got his water, so let's go out to him. And I might just take Bruno around the block. So yeah, guys, see you guys. This is only for whilst I'm putting this back in here. Whoa. Yeah, we go. Right. There you guys. There we go. Right. Oh. Guys, I'm editing a video and look outside. I could literally put my hand out and like. So yeah, it is really bad weather outside. Thumbnails, because then I can choose when I'm editing this vlog. But yeah. Look at that. Whoa, and it fell down the stairs then. Yeah, look at the hills, you guys. Wait, let me give you a foot. Here's what it looks like. Wow. Look at those dark clouds, you guys. Dark clouds. Go away. Yeah, it's dark clouds. It's raining everywhere. That's the Ginnell where we were before. It looks like school's lunch break is over. I just heard the bell. So I'm going to close the window just because it is getting a bit cold. And it is getting a bit dark in here. Like, look how dark it is. I was just sat there editing and sorting out my channel. What the heck? Yeah. I was sorting out my channel and that happened. So yeah, I'm going to close it. I put the heater on as well, so yeah, so I'm going to get back to what I was doing. Hey guys, it's just gone 2:30 and I've just done a few adjustments to my channel, so hope you guys like them. I've only done 4. It may not look a lot to you, but it looks a bit weird. But anyway, yeah, so sorry about that. But yeah, so I'll just show you what I've done to my channel, which is looking a lot better. So for the videos, oh, the one about Lady Jane, I've got to fix that because I actually did that one as well. But I've done thumbnails. Then if I could come to a video, for example. I have put some information in the description below. And I've linked everything down below, like my Instagram, my Disney Aimee channel, latest videos, information about my camera. I'll probably get something to eat because I'm actually really hungry right now. I've not had lunch and it's already 2:30. I'm going to pick up the kids in an hour, so yeah. So yeah. Guys, I'm downstairs and it's gotten a bit brighter. There's still like a cloud there. It looks darker on camera. But yeah, it's looking really nice now. We're gonna get, I don't even know what I want. Sandwich maybe. We need to have a sandwich. What I'm gonna do is have a sandwich and a yogurt. I don't know where. We're getting in here. Oh yeah. Update you in a while, but I'm not feeling very good right now, so what I'm gonna do is chill in bed for a bit and see if this headache will go. I've got my tea right here, so I'm gonna eat my tea and then probably just try and get to sleep. I'm really not well, you guys, really not well at all, but yeah. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. A big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.